Alright guys, so here is part 2 of part 1. As you can see, I will be shooting from that pile of blankets over there, from here, and this is going to be my targets. It's a regular computer paper with the 1-inch, well, square basically, printed out. So here's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 26, 27 paces from the target. So as you can see, to load the BB, this is what you would do. You would just take the mag out, push this little button right here, right there, as you can see. It ejects the mag. You kind of have to pull it out a little bit because it doesn't pop it out all the way like the Marusian version does. But here's the mag. It says Tokyo Maru right there. Oh, you guys can even see it. Tokyo Maru. There we go. And here are the Super Grandmasters .29s. What you can do, you can use a speed loader, stick it in, or it's just for me, I forgot to buy a speed loader. Hand feed it, just put it in the little nub, push it in, and it'll sit right in. And then you just kind of stick it in, and you'll click. There we go. Alright, so moving you guys over to the targets. You guys probably can't see it. There we go. Alright, I'll be shooting. As you can see, the shots aren't that great, but the hop up hasn't been adjusted, and some of you guys might be thinking, oh, it doesn't matter, but I will be doing another test, so I'll be right back, and let me remark everything. So yeah.